गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में करियर पाथ के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, जैसे कि सेल्सफोर्स में एडमिन और डेवलपर्स और सेल्सफोर्स कंसल्टेंसी के बारे में आज थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं। उसके पहले मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेल्पफुल है। Salesforce users, Salesforce professionals will become the down to the number of license they are using the end product they have a purchase alongside the complexity of the Salesforce org. Let's take a look at some of the roles available. Entry level role, mid level roles, senior level roles, and Salesforce consultancy. Entry level roles, mid level roles, and senior level roles. Next, entry level Salesforce. If you are looking for start your Salesforce career at a end user, there are the plenty of the great roles available. Salesforce admin. It is a very common of the Salesforce professionals to start their career as a admin at a end users. Once you have a land your certification and the entry levels or junior admin role at a end users is easily achieve achievables, and it can be great to apply your the theoretical knowledge at an actual company. Next, sales opposite executive at a larger companies. You may have sales operations executive role side alongside and admin. These roles would be focusing on the improving the experience or sales users at a company, which may commonly include some Salesforce admin responsibility. Next, Salesforce developers. You will often find developers working at a end users that have a slightly more complex Salesforce org utilizing custom codes and integrations to the extend the power of the platform to land job as an entry level Salesforce developers. You will need to some provide experience with the coding, marketing. Next, marketing executive. If you are looking for land or role as a marketing focused Salesforce professionals, then a marketing execute roles and cloud be perfect. This will be often work with the core Salesforce marketing tools such as a marketing clouds, uh, Paradox marketing clouds, account engagement. Next, mid-level roles Salesforce. As you progress up the ladder, more specialized roles will be become the available to you, allowing you to focus on your the passion, skills, and interest. Some of the most common mid-level roles at in user will be CRM manager and product owners. These roles have a overlapping but separate responsibility. Utility it means owning on owning the Salesforce platform entirely. After larger company, you have find solution the architect. This role are the focus on complex multi of ORG implementations, ensuring the product and features implemented are the meeting the requirement and the using the best practice. Next, senior level roles Salesforce or senior and director level Salesforce role at in users in interesting as this company are not execute and focus on Salesforce. Salesforce it is it's not common to find dedicated senior Salesforce roles unless you are the large customer of the Salesforce. For example, if you work as a CRM manager for the Salesforce and are looking for the promotions, you cloud move up to an operations director role to look after operations across the entire business. Similarly, you cloud move over to the technical director roles to the oversee internal IT and multiple other the IT system. At much large Salesforce, the users with say hundred of the even the thousand of the Salesforce license, if it won't be up, up common to find dedicated VP of director level role where you are the executive responsible for the Salesforce with the large team reporting to the you. You join and end users. End users are the probably two most common way for the Salesforce professional to start their careers once they are the certified. If you are the join and into the users within the relative and the low license count and low complexity, or this is will be well suited your the skills levels. They are also the great you if you want to the double down of the product and industrial knowledge as you will be working with on customer as a opposed to the Salesforce consultant who will be the working for the many. For more senior Salesforce professionals moving to the in users from another type and type common company is a great way to the sort into the senior role, lead team and focus your the knowledge. May might you have a and in users. Once Salesforce admin have to find you the experience under their belt, it's common to look futures a field for the other the opportunity. This might be the because they are the looking to gain experience in different product and industry by moving to a Salesforce consultancy or the moving to larger and user to scale their the knowledge and perha- perhaps lead a teams. Next, Salesforce consultancy. Um, Salesforce consultancy are the back one of the Salesforce industry. Whenever the Salesforce sells a new the product to the customer, they will be need a Salesforce consultancy to the configure it to the customer is requirement. Consultancy range from the global B methods like the Accenture, Deloitte, and IBM to the local the partners with the decent employees all the way to the down the freelancers. Roles of the consultancy are the often seen as a way to the massively upskills your the Salesforce knowledge. You will be working on the complex project and will be the sure sure that by the more senior professional you can learn at a lot of from. Let's is dive into the hang variety of the Salesforce roles you all find at a consultancy. Entry-level roles, Salesforce consultancy will be often employs Salesforce admin looking for the upskills in the different areas as well as a recent graduate and the entry-level candidate who have prevent themselves with the certification or similars. It is just important to the also point out of these roles, such as a consultancy, are not the necessary entry level. The however the consultancy will be often the employees entry level the consultancy with a view of them being the promoted after they have got some experience under the belt. Next, Salesforce consultancy. The most common role at a Salesforce consultancy, these are the people's task within the configuring Salesforce and working with the customers to realize the goals within the Salesforce platforms. Next, business analyst. A role of the useful found at a larger consultancy as a smaller consultancy may be combine the consultancy and BA roles, the business analyst is executive task without the requirement the gathering and improving the business process throughout the Salesforce solutions. This is a great role for an executing the business analyst that is has worked with other platforms. Next, developer. Similar to end users, these professionals are the responsible for the extending Salesforce with Apex code, custom lighting page, and integrations. Background in the coding is usually required to the land and the entry levels developer jobs. Middle level job role. Once you have 5 years of experience under the you build one some of the core role available in the consultancy, it will be time of the specialize. The beauty of the consultancy it that you can choose many different discipline depending on your the passion, interest, and skills level. For the example, if you love your the roles as a Salesforce consultancy in the technical element of the Salesforce platform, you may decide to start the upskilling to the become the Salesforce developer and the make or literal move. Or if you want to the stay on the declarative sides, you could become of the solution architect developer. Looking to the level of the can also move to the technical consultancy roles, which is more of customer facing the roles. mm, will list leading the technical solutions. If you are enjoy the commercial side of the project, working with the sales teams to the sale and close deals, the solution engineer's role is a very variable. Here you will be demoing Salesforce and helping the sales process with the technical questions. You will also land yourself and the nice bit of the commissions. Finally, project manager is another the core role and roles at Salesforce consultancies and a consultancy we have wish to the move into this fields and perfectly set up for it. And senior level roles, if you are looking for the ascend accelerate your the career to up to director level position, then Salesforce consultancy is perfect place. As well as senior the position will be the required at a lot of the Salesforce experience. If you have the coming for the Salesforce consultancy track, so then you have a variety of the options available. Practice leads will typically have a expert level the knowledge of the particular the products such as sales or service clouds, supporting the implementations and this sales process for the that is a product. You also have a program manager who can be seen as a senior project managers typically, or seeing multiple large and program managers who can the senior project managers typically overseeing the multiple large and project at a once. Finally, delivery director will be the overseeing all project within the consultancy and often acting the escalation the point are the ensuring the operation team are the delivering the project one time to good standard. Thank you, friends. आज हमने देखा है कि करियर पाथ में जो सेल्सफोर्स एडमिन डेवलपर, सेल्सफोर्स कंसल्टेंसी और सेल्सफोर्स मार्केटिंग क्लाउड्स की जॉब रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है। अगर मेरे चैनल आपको पसंद आता है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर, बाय।